2 ou 3 jours après qu'on fait le test, mon ancien professeur me dit « Jeffrey, préparez-vous tes bagages, tu t'en vas au Québec. » Et tout le monde est la surprise. Est-ce que tu vas faire? Tu vas y aller? Mais je ne sais pas. J'avais parlé avec ma femme et il a dit hey, Cynthia, amour, qu'est-ce qu'on fait?
We did have some employee shortage starting around 2005 that got worse and worse. We have less specialized employees, especially machinists, welders. But then we did a first mission to Costa Rica. We did pass some interview, tests, and so on. So we brought our first 3 employees here. And today it's close to 50% of our workforce in Saint Justine. I recall that they left the country, it was plus 30 degrees Celsius. I picked them up at the airport. I wasn't able to speak even a word of Spanish, and it was minus 31 here. I said to myself, they're gonna left as soon as they can. It was freezing cold.
Je connais pas les mots fret. Il fait fret, hein? Mais ils nous avaient donné des manteaux, des pantalons, des bottes, de tout ça. Tout est beau, je suis chaud, je suis content.
We want them not to be here for short term, we want them to be with us for their entire life. So we help them bring their wife, bring their family, integrate them with the culture, with the language as well. You know, we changed the life of these people, and I'm really proud of that.
Je m'appelle Jeffrey Mata. Je suis Canadien costaricain.
It's in the welding department that the products really start to come together. In fact, various components that have gone through the cutting and bending stages end up here to be assembled. All of this is possible because of our welders, welder fitters, and robotic welder operators that are part of this department. There are about 30 workstations and 9 welding robots. In order to ensure a safe and ergonomic work environment for the welders, the welding department workstations are equipped with 9 positioners, 9 hydraulic tables, 50 bridge cranes, and 46 jib cranes. Additionally, our continuous improvement department has implemented 5S workstations to increase the workers' efficiency. First of all, the welder fitter receives the parts along with a schematic. After reading the print, he fixes the parts with clamps and vices and measures to ensure the precision of his assembly. For some assemblies, the welder fitter may have access to jigs. He then tack welds until his assembly is complete. Afterwards, the part is either sent to a welder or a robotic welder to complete the process. The welder will then place the part on the positioner and begin the welding steps. The positioner not only allows the welder to be in an ergonomic position, but also makes it easy to move the part to work on different angles. To avoid deformation of the part caused by the heat of the welding, the welder will alternate between strokes so that the part has time to cool down. All of this is done to guarantee precision and unmatched quality. When the welding robot operator receives parts, he sets up the jig and then performs the assembly. The operator enters the welding program according to the instructions on the work order. The first pass is then welded. The operator will then do a quality inspection before continuing the program. If everything is in order, the operator can finish the program. He then inspects the finished part and makes any necessary touch-ups. Each year, more than 11,700 miles of welding wire are used at Rotobec, which represents almost half of the Earth's circumference.
Ever since I've been with Rotobec, we've always been known for the quality of our welds. the beauty and the pride we take in our finish. It's guys like Jacques Robert and other members of the welding team that took the best practices from the standard, the welding schools, the Canadian Welding Bureau, and things like that. Like everything else in our factory, we're always collaborating with the companies to make sure that we've got what's best, the latest innovation.
Je pense qu'on est les meilleurs pour plusieurs raisons, là, mais pour mon travail à moi, c'est sûr que mes employés, pas des numéros. Je connais tout le monde, puis au-delà de la production et de l'efficacité, il y a quand même l'employé. Puis chez Rotobec, on s'en occupe.
C'est tellement le fun parce que toute la gang, si tu es bon, tu es bon, si tu n'es pas bon, tu n'es pas bon, mais va jouer quand même. Et toute la gang, c'est tellement bon. Oh non, l'équipe de travail qu'on a, c'est le fun de travailler avec eux. Ouais.